Yasu everybody, welcome back to Lambakis Kitchen. Today we are making for you Greek village salad. This salad goes perfectly with any type of meat, chicken, lamb, gyro, you name it. So we need crumbled feta or block, a cucumber, a tomato, a red onion, some olive oil, and some oregano. Step 1, dice the cucumber. So now what we want to do is dump the cucumber inside a glass bowl or any type of bowl. I forgot to mention you can use peeled cucumbers or regular cucumbers. Now you want to cut your tomato. Now that you've chopped up the tomato, put it in the bowl. Next, what you want to do, take about half an onion, use more if you like, and just dice it. Now, mix this all together. Now top with as much oregano as you want. Adding your olive oil, you can add as much as you like. Top with some feta, use half of it for now, save the other half for after we mix. Mix it all together. Get the olive oil and oregano flowing in there and mix it in. Top with the rest of the feta, add some oregano and enjoy. Thank you all for watching. After your salad is done, enjoy. That's so good. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give us a follow on Insta at Lambakis Kitchen. New videos every Monday at 12:15 Central Time. And see you next time.
Opa!